Exactly, Larry. Exactly. Hurt people hurt people. And I don't think people fully understand the magnitude of words. They don't understand how much power someone's words have over them. You have to remember in John, and I believe it's the second or the third chapter, I'm not really sure, so don't quote me on this, but in the beginning was the Word was God. What that pretty much is saying is God created the entire world. From Genesis forward, saying He spoke it into existence. That's how powerful your words are. That's how powerful you are. And people who are like us, who are celebrities or people who know us very, very well, or very, very popular individuals, we carry the burden to try to bring people forward or to uplift them. Don't use your power for negativity. Try to always do whatever you can to make somebody's life better. It's easier that way. It's so much easier for you to take a moment out of your day just to smile at someone, just to say hello, just to make someone feel like they're important, because you never know. They might be on their last leg, and that might be the straw that breaks the camel's back, that causes them to, you know what, not even want to live anymore or want to be around anymore. We have so much to give. We have so much to offer. We bring so many things to the table. Why don't we utilize all the things and tools that God has given us to create a more perfect society, a better arrangement? So, my one of my choir directors, his name, the Dr. William Garcia, he said it best: to whom much is given, much is required. And I know this is an old quote, but it always sits with me because of the fact that I've been given so much. I've been through a lot, but God has allowed me to walk and transverse this world in this tumultuous life and be able to create something out of myself of my choosing. He allowed me to live lavishly. He allowed me to not have to worry about money or living paycheck to paycheck. He allowed me to garner my degrees and my education and use my brains and my smarts to bring me where I'm at. So because of that, that's the reason why I have so many gay kids. That's the reason why I try my best to give back to everybody. That's the reason why I always have an open ear, is because I feel like it's our job. I don't want to hurt anybody. I never hurt anybody. And if I've ever hurt you, trust me, I've tried to make amends for it, because I guarantee you it wasn't intentional. Live your life with people, love people. Live your life like everything that you do affects someone else. That's what I mean to say. Everything that you do affects someone else, so live your life according to that. All right? So remember to live, love, learn, and grow. Do that every day. You'll be successful.